Hello everyone, and welcome to this online math teacher education program mini webinar. I would like to ask you to please mute your microphone if you can. You can do this by going under attendees and seeing your name, and you should see a little microphone either to the left or right, and then just mute it if you can so that we can mitigate any unnecessary static. Also, if you could turn on your webcam, so this button is to the left of the little person raising his hand. Just click on that arrow and it should say start webcam. In this case, start my webcam. Yep. And then you're going to press start sharing. Okay. This way we can see everyone's lovely faces tonight. If your technology is not cooperating, please feel free to just sit next to a classmate who has a working webcam and you can share his or her space. Usually with online courses, it takes a few minutes for everybody to get on the same page. So while you are patiently waiting, you can just look around. We have a nice chat box where you can enter whatever you like and participate in side discussions. If you have questions for me, we can address that after the PowerPoint slides if we have time. We have a little poll going on here, and I'll broadcast the results when everyone's done. If you look up here on the side, you can select your status. If you want to do some applause or laughter, we have some little emoticons for you to express your nonverbal emotions. And that should be about it. A little cute thing here about the chat box. If you want to change your chat color or the size, you can also do that. We have some chat sounds as well. All right. Well, I will be starting momentarily. Thank you again for being patient, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.